Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I can presentation my channel. What is the link building and two type of link building, internal links and external links. The very important point, the link building, the 2 points, internal and external link. What is the internal link? Internal link is a hyperlink that point or targeted tags. There are same domain as the domain that is the link, extension, and SEO and analyte. Internal link, one of the point of another phrase, just coding HTML and just in. By next class, practical class to the details. Optional format, use the keyword anchor tags and given search politics, topics and keyword, their source and trying and this. Why are the internal link importance? Internal link is useful main source. There are negative website the help establishing from in the given and there's importance and the given website there are speak link and ranking power around this. What an internal links are around defense on the external links. Internal links is a links that go forward on page and the domain and reference page one of same domain. They are may be used in the main navigators on the content of the page and alternative extension links. Point another domain. This is the including domain page on your sites and other sites. Point of the site to your site, also called the backlink. The search engine optimization, the best practice. Internal link is the most useful experience site and there are specific link URL, also the section about build and search engine friendly site according in the internal links. On a page, individual page, search engine need to contain order the list page. There are mesh knowledge page engine. They also need have look the card link structure, then the speed browse and the practical website. In order to front all process website handles through site, make the creative and market handle. There are gap page and including search. The explain Google site has richer page without internal links grow your the space. That minimum amount the link process between the home page, add your given page, crowd and defense, number of indication page and home page. And external link. What are the external link? External link is a hyperlink that point at tag any domain others than that domain. There are link extension source in layman themes in another website link to you. It is considered an external link on your site. Similar if you link another website and this anchor tracks. The sample code HTTP example link hash anchor tracks, optional format and external link defense. Search engine benefit external most is the powerful extend quality, and that's because the search engine optimization behind is the another risk and process. The search optimization practice, search engine optimization rank factors are that as though great your external link and single most is object attention high rank. There are from the actual and the page there are site available visual import on your Google. Google first made including the standard comment page on and the another links. The trustable this site domain links and popularly relevance. The addition there are matters explain link are the important to the main response. The number one, the popularity. Why are the traffic's mains matters in difference for search engine to mains and according and this Yahoo search engine, Google search engine, Baidu search engine, etc. search engine. External link is both an amount submit matters and this ensure matters in mains. This is because the traffic number of brain in provide service log and this link provide the various and easily stored and processed response and external link rate more determined and popularity is given a page. This matrix determined is the best result in given search query. The relevance. Links provide relevance calculate there are terms and values for the search engine another and tags use the link usually written by whom who can improve web page better than competitors and the usually highly relevance that contain that page bring link many times and will short praise URL of the targeted page domain create link also provide valuable relevance matters and search engine links and point relevant content. This is help search engine enable knowledge, hopes and intent and these gaps and documents. What is the internal links, external links? Very simple internal links occurs when site link the URL your same site there are extend occurs when to site links URL different site. Put another way internal links are very you link on page while external links point page on others domain. What are the external quality links? External equal links is the both external links the pages of search engine optimization single search page rank and anchor tracks with Google user and rank page. Trophically there are within no follow backlinks and do follow backlinks. Because Google now the trade no follow backlinks and do follow backlinks in hits amount extension with the risk in process. How to I find external link in your website? Find external link website your search engine optimization tools, search engine control, the lot of tools. Is keeping the landing, bringing the link building everyone in search engine link academy anchor tracks backlinks of page SEO on page SEO. What is the backlinks? A backlink is create who an own website link to another backlinks are social call inbound link and incoming link. Backlinks are the important search engine optimization and this. What are the backlink important? The backlink important easily and the vectors and website. Very important the backlinks and outbound link, external link and internal links. Your website very important part the search and optimization the complete rules the link building and backlinks. The backlinks two factors the one factors outbound external link and internal link and some difference my videos what is the internal link and external link difference between important this. Your website better more than web traffic and search engine relevance any keyword any topics any link and get your website and more traffic more generate. Friends, thank you, best of luck. Please subscribe my channel and thank you you're watching my videos. Best of luck. Total, the very important 2 points, and internal backlink and external backlink and link buildings. Very important. Thank you. Best of luck.